Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excel to find probabilities of less than a particular value, greater than a particular value, or in between some values for a normal distribution when you are given the mean and standard deviation. Okay, one way to find this, of course, is to, for example, if you are given a mean and a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 10, and you want to find the probability of less than 70, for example. One way to find this is to transform the 70 into a z-score using the formula z equals x minus mean, all of this divided by standard deviation to find the z-score, and then use Excel to find the area to the left, less than 70 in this case, that I talked about in the other video where we have the z-scores and finding the areas. Or you can use another formula of Excel, okay, so you don't need to convert into a z-score. So you can use another formula which Excel has, and it's the following. It's called norm. Instead of Dist that we looked in the other video, it's called the norm Dist this time. So here you're given the x, and this is 70. The mean, in this case, we have 60. The standard deviation is 10, and cumulative is true. So what this will give you, it will give you the area to the left of 70. So if you check the graph here, here is 70. So imagine a vertical line here. So you have found, using this formula, the area to the left. So all of this area here to the left of 70 under the normal curve, okay? And then say that you are asked to find the area to the right, okay? So the probability of something greater than 70. Remember, areas correspond to probabilities, okay? So how do you find the probability of something greater than 70? This corresponds to the area to the right here. So it's this area down here, this little tail. And you can't do this with the same formula because this formula, as we said, calculates areas to the left. So here you just can use the property of the normal distribution, which says that the total area is 1. So if from this area of 1 you subtract what we found in the previous step, you get the area to the right of 70, okay? Or the probability of something greater than 70, okay? So now, similarly, if you want to find something in between two values, like between 25 and 85, then you just need to find the probability less than 85. So this is area to the left of 85. And from this, you subtract the area which is to the left of 25, okay? So if this is 85 right here, so you actually want to find this whole area, this entire area to the left. And from this, if you subtract the, well, I don't have 25 here, this is not a good example. Let me make it 45. Okay, so if you subtract now the area from 45 to the left, okay, then you're left with the area between 45 and 85. So it's this area here, all of this area up to 45 in the middle, okay? So you do this by using, again, the norm Dist formula, where x is 85, mean is 60, standard deviation 10, true. And then you subtract from this minus, again, the norm Dist formula, x is 45, 60, 10, and true. So you got the area, the in-between area, it's 0.92698, okay? And this corresponds to the probability of x falling between these two values. Thank you.